Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So in this video I am making a volcano experiment. Okay, so these are what we need to make our experiment. So here is my volcano. You can make your own if you want to. I made it myself, and I have vinegar and red food coloring and baking soda. So first, let's start our experiment. First, I am gonna put some vinegar in. Then red food coloring, putting some baking soda in. Wow! Look guys, it's happening! Wow! It's so cool! Look at it! It's really cool!
Why are you watching?
Well, look! It's happening again! Well, it's so cool! Wow, it's really cool! Well, everyone, you have to try this.
You have to make it.
Well, this is the end of my volcano and it stopped. Well, everyone, thanks for watching. This volcano, it's really cool. My second experiment. So we have two glasses, Alka-Seltzer and baking soda, and each of them I'm gonna add different food coloring. One done. Now let's add some green food coloring. Now I'm gonna add some baking soda. Whoa! This one was kind of impressive. To add a bit more power, I'm gonna add some Alka-Seltzer. Well, that made a lot of bubbles. It was such cool experiment. Hope you like this kind of experiment and enjoyed this experiment. It was actually so cool for me trying this experiment. Well, hope you like it and bye.